Positively Perfect Animal Rescue and Adoption Services, a 501c3 nonprofit organization, by Tricia Blackwelder for Week 6 assignment and Introduction to Nonprofit and Voluntary Organizations course. A 503c3 nonprofit organization is an organization that provides a service to others and uses their profits to enhance the organization and give back through their mission. When establishing a nonprofit organization, it should be for a cause that you are passionate about and want to dedicate your time and efforts into. Having the skills to support your mission is also beneficial. To begin, you want to establish your mission and appoint your founding board of directors. Then you have to decide what you want to name the organization and verify the name is available to use. A new company cannot have the same name as an existing company, so you want to check online with your state to ensure your business name is available. Once you have a name picked out, you have to apply online to obtain your nonprofit corporation certificate and pay the filing fees. In order to apply, you will need your mission statement, a statement the organization will not engage in any political or legislative activity. Prepare your bylaws and ensure that they comply with your state laws. A meeting should be conducted between board members to discuss bylaws, appoint officers, set your annual year of open and closing dates, and approve setup of banking accounts and transactions required to open the business. All meeting notes should be recorded. The organization will need to apply for an employer identification number and obtain all business licenses and permits. Federal and state tax exemption applications will need to be completed and approved as well. Our mission at Positively Perfect is to provide animals in crisis an opportunity to live a healthy life within a loving home through rescue, fostering, and adoption. We aim to provide animals and families a lifelong companionship in a nurturing and loving setting. Our organization is here to serve animals in crisis and ensure they have the best care. We are here to help families find a lifelong, loving companion to enrich their home. We are here to assist our community by offering adoption services and fostering. We rely on our donors and volunteers to meet our mission. We offer one-time or monthly donations to fit anyone's budget. No amount is too little. Donations will support all animals and assist with finding them a loving home, as well as offering programs to assist families that are struggling to pay their vet bills and need assistance providing food to their pets. Our services include and are not limited to rescuing abandoned animals, providing them shelter at our facility or within a loving foster home until we are able to find an adoptive home for them. Our food assistance program provides families with food if they are unable to. We encourage them to apply for the assistance, and upon a quick approval, food is available for pickup. We also encourage families to apply for veterinary assistance if they are experiencing financial difficulty, instead of skipping out on necessary visits to help keep their pet healthy. All of these programs and services would not be possible without our donors and volunteers. They are the strongest support we have. First and foremost, this cannot be mentioned enough that our organization would not be possible without the support of our donors and volunteers. They are the foundation of our success. We also rely on our local partnerships with other rescues throughout the nation to help us place these lovable animals in their proper home. Strategic planning is key to ensuring our mission is being met. Strategic planning is essential in order to achieve our desired results and goals. Planning helps us focus on each individual program we offer while focusing on the vision of our organization. Strategic planning helps us see which areas need improvement and where enhancements need to be made. Our adoptions are the ultimate success for both our animals and families. Finding the perfect fit is not always easy, but without our adoptions, we would not be able to continue to help animals in crisis as we would run out of room. We apply for government grants when available to assist with financing the services needed. We depended heavily on advocacy for our organization. Our board members, staff, volunteers, past and current clients do an outstanding job by advocating for us. We use social media to spread the word about our organization and services. Positive word of mouth has really driven our success and allowed us to continue to help. Our happy clients share their stories online and even come to our adoption days to share their stories in person with other families. We advocate at local veterinarians, pet stores, and other town forums, just to name a few examples. Our core values of providing the best care, welcoming all, and ensuring a loving bond before, during, and after our services has also been a drive in our success. Our mission is inspiring and fulfilling, which keeps our donors and volunteers wanting to continue to support us. Roles of our board are self-perpetuating, which means our members are selected by existing board members. This helps to bring needed skills into our organization and ensure we strengthen areas important to the work required. Our board members are held accountable for everything the organization does and how we accomplish our mission. They are responsible for following their duties of care, loyalty, and obedience. The duty of care includes making sure the finances are being used properly and supervising our management team, who is responsible for our staff and volunteers. The duty of loyalty ensures they put the best interests of the organization above their own. Since this is a nonprofit organization, they do not benefit from the success of the organization, but the organization does as a whole. It is not for their own personal financial interest. It is also their responsibility to ensure the company is abiding by the laws in its operations. This is known as their duty of obedience. Our board members should have the skills to enhance the company. Their interpersonal skills are essential to communicate effectively and oversee management. It is their job to provide the direction of our mission and the business strategy and ensure it is being achieved. If they see a mishap, they need to be sure it is corrected so our goals can be met. Whether it is a for-profit or nonprofit organization, it would not be successful without the staff and volunteers. These individuals are the face of an organization. It is essential our staff and volunteers are reliable and efficient. Our mission is not successful without having a dependable crew to support our animals and families. Punctuality shows commitment, and we are committed to our animals, staff, and clients. Our donors and volunteers want to support an organization that is friendly, courteous, and enthusiastic about our mission. We take pride in inspiring others and want to keep creating positive experiences. Our staff and volunteers must work well together and function independently when needed. Since this is a nonprofit organization, our team needs to take direction well and take initiative to support our success. We expect everyone to be supportive of one another and kind. We are an organization that is here to help, so we are understanding, empathetic, and great listeners. We expect our staff and volunteers to advocate, support our mission, and assist us with achieving our goals.